Welcome to this in-depth Quire tutorial for 2025. Whether you're a project manager, startup team, freelancer, or part of an enterprise, managing tasks efficiently is key to delivering projects successfully. Quire is a powerful yet simple project management tool designed to help teams collaborate, plan, and track their work with ease. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about Quire, from setting up your workspace to using advanced Agile project management features. So by the end, you'll be able to organize projects efficiently, track progress, and enhance team collaboration. So before we get started, first, what is Quire? Quire is a cloud-based project management and collaboration tool designed for teams that follow agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban. It provides a simple yet structured approach to managing tasks by allowing users to break down complex projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Unlike other project management tools, Quire is known for its intuitive interface, infinite task hierarchy, and real-time collaboration capabilities. It helps teams stay productive by enabling them to prioritize tasks, track deadlines, and visualize workflows in a flexible environment. So now let's get started. So simply head over to Quire's official website, which is quire.io, and simply sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, simply set up your account, and you will now be redirected to this page right here. So this is how your first project will look like. So as you can see, this is the overview of your project. So this is basically your dashboard. So you can add your description right here. You can add a date, attachments of this project. You will see your progress stats. You'll see this graph right here. Also your weekly summary. And of course, this is the welcome page. So if you want, you can always read this. So next, go back to the list. So as you can see in the setup menu, I chose the board. So I can always change this tree section to a board. As you can see, click on board right here, and your Quire page will look like this now, or your project will look like this now. So as you can see, this is more easy to understand. As you can see right here, this is your to-do list. This is the sample to-do list. You can always double click on this. You can see this task. So this is just a welcome uh, card by Quire. We can always delete this. Next, we can add tasks. You can see right here. Let's say uh, recruitment. Always do this task. Always double click. You can add an assignee. You can add the date. You can add tags. You can add descriptions. You can add attachments. You can add or edit the field. You will see the time spent, but this is for upgraded versions only. And of course, you can always add comments. And next, let's say this card or this task is already done. You can always drag and drop them. So you can see right there. You can drag and drop them. And of course, you can always create new tables or status. So let's say status is what that is completed, in progress. Let's say urgent, red, progress is save, or they are saved. As you can see, you can add the urgent right there. You can add tasks to this urgent card right here, or urgent table. So this will notify all of your team members that there are urgent tasks. So basically, it still depends on you and how you want to organize your Kanban board or your Quire project right here. And of course, you can always switch views. If you don't want this board views, you can always select right here. You can uh, switch to table, to timeline. But of course, this features right here is only available for the upgraded version or a professional subscription plan. So if you want those features, you can always upgrade yours. Next, we have the detailed panel. You can see, you click on this, just click on the detail panel. You can, when you see that, this is basically you're just double clicking on a card. And of course, these are the features. Let's say this one is done. Just click on this, complete. And as you can see, the task is now crossed out. So I don't know, after a few minutes, this will be removed or something like that. Yeah, as you can see, when I refreshed it, it automatically goes to the completed table. Next thing that you want to do is, of course, add team members. So click right here in the sidebar in the top left. And as you can see, we have the members right here. Simply click on invite. So just select the project where you want to invite and add the members by their emails. So simply enter in their emails and you can select whether they are just normal members, limited members, guest, or admin. After adding their email, click on invite and wait for them to accept your invite. Also, you can always create new workspaces or projects. As you can see, you can add new projects. So enter a project name. That's two. You can select a template. I'm just going to create. So as you can see, I have created this new project right here. So to switch projects, you can always click right here, select the project that you want to work on. Always also edit members, statuses. You can go to full screen. You can import CSV files. You can export your project as CSV or JSON files. So that's basically all it is to Quire. So just feel free to explore more about how you can use Quire, how you can use this board views to create tasks for your team and manage your job or your work's progress. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.